Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara, فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا تَحِلُّ لَهُ مِن بَعْدُ حَتَّى تَنكِحَ زَوْجًا غَيْرَهُ فإن طلقها فلا جناح عليهما أن يتراجعا إن ظنا أن يقيما حدود الله وتلك حدود الله يبينها لقوم يعلمون. Translation. Thereafter, if the husband divorces his wife third time, then she will not be lawful to him until she marries to another husband. Then if that other husband divorces her, there is no sin for both to come together again, remarry with previous husband, provided both of them are sure that they will be able to observe limits of Allah. And such are the limits of Allah which He makes clear to the people who have knowledge. So if a husband divorces his wife after having sexual intercourse with her, this this divorce is called talaq raj'i. And even if he gives another divorce during the period of iddat, this will also be a talaq raj'i, which means that within the iddat they can get together again if they decide to do so. However, if the period of iddat passes, this talaq is now known as talaq ba'in, which means that they cannot just get together again, but they will have to do the nikah, the remarriage again. Now, if the third talaq is given, or somebody has given all three talaqs at once, then this type of talaq is known as talaq mughallaza, which is explained in this ayah. If somebody has given talaq mughallaza, this means that the wife of that husband has to marry another man and to have sexual relationships with the new husband. And if there is no sexual relationship, then this woman will not be lawful for the first husband. But if after sexual relationship with the second husband divorces this woman, and after iddat this woman and the first husband want to marry again, they can marry so. But in Sharia, this planning is forbidden, and this is called makruh tahrimi, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has given lanat to those who plan this or who help to plan this. One more thing is that the divorce should be given in the time of purity and should not be given in the time of menstruation, because during menstruation the woman is going through some physiological changes and she is not desirable at that time. Also, Allah has given so much leeway in the Sharia, and somebody is not respecting that and giving all three talaqs, then this is the punishment for him, that if he wants to remarry, the woman has to go through another marriage and then come back to him. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us to secure the limits of Allah. And indeed, whoever is not securing the limits of Allah, he is not the person of knowledge, and he will have severe punishment. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.